Have you ever stopped to think about the power your words hold? How a simple message can either build someone up or tear them down. It's easy to share what angers or frightens us, especially when fear and misunderstanding cloud our minds. But today, I want to invite you to pause before spreading hate, to choose kindness and truth instead. Too often, we see people judged unfairly based on stereotypes, labels tied to religion, race, or nationality. In times of crisis, fear makes us look for someone to blame, but blaming entire groups only deepens divides and spreads pain. The real story is often very different. The same people who get blamed are the ones stepping up with courage, offering help, protection, food, medical aid, and comfort when it's needed most. Spreading hate messages doesn't just hurt others, it hurts all of us. It builds walls where bridges could be, fuels fear where understanding could grow. Every hateful word chips away at the hope and unity we need as a community. You have a choice every time you share a message online or in conversation. Will you spread fear or hope, misinformation or truth, judgment or compassion? Choosing kindness doesn't mean ignoring real problems or pretending everything is perfect. It means refusing to let hate take root in our hearts and our communities. It means seeing people as they truly are: complex, courageous, worthy of respect. When you feel the urge to share something negative or hateful, ask yourself, is this true? Is this fair? Is this helpful? If the answer is no, then hold back that message. Instead, share stories of kindness and bravery you have seen. Celebrate those who help others quietly and selflessly. Help others see the good that exists even in hard times. Remember, empathy is the key to breaking down barriers. When we try to understand others' experiences and feelings, even if different from our own, fear loses its hold. Compassion grows, and with it, hope. If we want a world where everyone feels safe and respected, we must stop fueling hate with our words. Instead, use your voice for fairness and kindness. Speak out against misinformation and stereotypes. Stand with those unfairly judged. Your voice can be a powerful force for change. Your prescription today: pause before sharing anything that could spread hate or fear. Choose to amplify truth and kindness instead of rumors and hatred. Seek out stories of courage and compassion to share widely. Practice empathy by trying to understand people different from you. Speak up calmly and firmly when you see unfair messages spreading. Remember that every positive message helps build a stronger, more united community. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Martin Luther King Jr., you hold the power to change the story. Choose to be a light that brings people together rather than divides them. Together, we rise stronger when we choose hope over hate, unity over division. Let your words heal, inspire, and build a future where everyone belongs.